Hello folks, this is Vlad, aka Whiskey Foxtrot, back again taking another look at some of the clips that I included in the unboxing video for the Acer NITRO 5, which I did a few days ago. The link is here, and I'll also post it in the description if you want to see that unboxing. My first view or notes on that laptop. The Acer NITRO 5 is marketed as a gaming laptop. It is based on the Ryzen 5 2500U processor, and it includes a Radeon RX 560X GPU with 4 GB of dedicated GDDR5 RAM. The clips I posted in the video of gameplay were kind of, well, stuttery. Very laggy. It wasn't fluid like someone mentioned. Thank you, Derek, for bringing that up. Excuse me, that was an issue with the encoder during assembly of the video and grabbing live video off of the laptop through the capture card. So that issue has been resolved. I will focus or have some other videos on actual benchmarks coming up in the next few days, but as you can see here, it is very smooth. Gameplay is overall very smooth. This is on medium settings in PUBG of all games, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, which is known to not be the most well, I wouldn't say it's not much of a hog anymore, a resource hog, but it can wreak havoc on a lot of systems. And this is playing on a laptop, the Ryzen 5 2500U. As you can see, it is very smooth, or where it matters at least. I don't see I haven't had any issues playing some matches, you know, with other players, of course. And actually got some chicken dinners with it too. Good kills, and I would definitely play with this laptop if I was out and about and had a decent connection to play, that is. But for, you know, a lot of games, I picked PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds because of the, you know, the fact that it is it can be a resource hog, and it performs very well on this laptop. So this is the Acer NITRO 5 again, powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 2500U CPU and RX 560X with 4 gigs of RAM. So I'll stop rambling. I'll continue with some more footage of PlayerUnknown's Battleground, and also one where the stuttering was very visible was in Overwatch. So right after this, I will play another clip of Overwatch. And again, make sure you check out the AMD stream. I will be playing with this online as well, or online on the stream as well. During some of the streams, you can find me on Twitch, twitch.tv/AMD. And also check that page out for a list of hosts. There's always something going on. Every day we have different hosts and your favorite host. So stay tuned for that. Twitch.tv/AMD. I'm on Tuesdays from 5:30 Central, 5:30 to 7:30 Central Time. And right after me, we have Derek Gott 007, also part of the AMD stream team. So here we have some Overwatch. I am going into a casual match just for performance testing to see what it looks like. It was very apparent in this video that there was some stutter, and it was just not a fluid experience. At least that's what that last video showed. It was not like that in the video. That's just, again, an issue that I had with the encoder at the time, from the capture card from laptop to my PC. So here we go again, and here you can see everything is smooth. There is absolutely no lag, no, you know, it is just smooth gameplay, what you would expect from a good laptop, a good gaming laptop, and that's the Acer Nitro 5. It is currently listed at $699 on the Acer website. If you look for the Acer Nitro 5, you can find it there, and I'm sure there will be sales eventually or soon if they're not already up at the time of this video. So I'm definitely not a pro Overwatch player. There's a lot to learn about it. I mean, it's still a fun game, but it's not something that I genuinely or regularly play. But here it is. I'm gonna skip through some of these parts, and again, I want to thank AMD for the opportunity to test this laptop, to do a review on it. I am doing a more in-depth review on actual performance, on driver optimization, and see what or how far we can push this laptop. This laptop, as configured, has 8 gigs of RAM. It is the 2600 megahertz RAM, so it is something that can use some tuning. You don't have much overclocking capabilities, but you can do some tuning with the Nitro Sense tools, part of the Acer suite that is included with this laptop. And of course, via the drivers, the GPU drivers, Radeon settings, there are a lot of things that you can do. And I will come up with, like I said, another video on tips getting that accomplished to get the most out of this laptop. It is still possible. Again, this is all footage from pretty much out of the box performance, without any tuning. And everything I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, I'm going to do step by step. None of it is going to require any crazy hacking or whatever. This is all stuff that anyone can do. So I will post a video and some articles on that, so it's documented, so you can follow it step by step. And again, I've rambled on long enough. Here is some gameplay, and I will end the video after this clip. Again, thank you for watching this, and if you have any questions or would like to see anything specific tested on this laptop, let me know in the comments below, or find me on the AMD Red Team Discord, which I will post a link to in the description. Again, my name is Vlad, aka Whiskey Foxtrot. Find me on Twitter, on Twitch, on twitch.tv/AMD on Tuesdays, and I also stream on my own channel normally from Monday through Friday or Monday through Thursday in from 1 p.m. Eastern Time or 12 Central to about 4 to 5 Central Time. So, and you can find me there on twitch.tv/Whiskey Foxtrot Actual, the same name as my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/Whiskey Foxtrot Actual. And I will also have articles on this laptop on whiskey-foxtrot.com. So thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys later. If you like this video, if you have comments, questions, or again anything, post it down in the comments below.